What's going on, YouTube? So this is the Apple logo home button illumination display installation. So this is basically what you get. This lights up here. This taps into the battery right here, and this hooks up to the capacitor, a small tiny capacitor up top. Alright, so to begin, I just want to show you guys basically what you're going to be doing quickly. So basically what you're going to be doing, I don't know if you can see or not, I'm going to try to get in as close as I can. This is not an HD camera, so bear with me, people. Alright, I think this is close enough. Alright, so basically you're going to take a piece of double-sided adhesive, thin adhesive, put it from here to here, and then when you install the ribbon cable, that's gonna stick to this, but the part that in the ribbon cable and the tip of it has a metal piece that's actually going to be laying right on top of this. It's going to get all of what it needs to get power or whatever, I don't know what it gets, from right here. Alright, so you're going to cover that with a little piece of electrical tape. Some people use black. I'm using red for the purpose of you guys being able to see it when I install it. If I use black, it's just going to be, you might not be able to see it. So I'm going to pull back out. There we go. So basically the first thing you do is you take a piece of Scotch tape, magic tape, alright, and you're going to cover this part of the like the little circuit board, you see it? So you're just basically going to cover that. Alright. See that? I have a small scissor here, which is really, it's like a Chinese scissor or something. It comes in pretty handy. I actually like that. You can cut real small stuff with it. Alright, so that's that. It's the first step. The next step is try to make a little room, because this is exactly where it's going to go. See under here? So this is the battery. There's a small gap right here, and that will fit perfectly right in there, that part that we just taped. Alright? Okay, so I'm going to take that part that I just showed you, install it right in here. It's nothing fancy, nothing major. Just push it right down in there. Should fit perfectly in there so that it doesn't interfere with anything when we close up shop. Close up the battery and everything. Alright. It's looking good. I think we're good there. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is there we go. We're going to take out this middle screw, and we're going to line up this with that, because that's where this is going to go, right there. That's done. Back out so you can see where we are. And I'm going to take a small piece of double-sided adhesive, cut a piece off going to cut a piece off of this. Alright. Just happen to have some double-sided sticking around at 3M. See that? The scissors really good. You can really get in there and just alright. Got a little piece somewhere around here. Let's see, here it is. Alright. I think that might be a little too big. Just cut a little more. So basically, this is going right here. Right on the side there. So this is basically going right over here. We need help trying to get it there. It's so small. Really tedious. Tedious stuff. Okay. So it's basically gonna sit right over here. Now I cut a piece of electrical tape. That's it right there, you see that? That's my electrical tape. Nothing fancy, just cheap dollar stuff will be fine. And I put it right there on the back side of the tip of it. So underneath you'll see see that metal tip there? That's what's actually going to be under your capacitor, right? I even put a little bit of double-sided adhesive there so it can stick. So if you want to put some on the ribbon cable, you can do that too. Oof. I'm actually going to take the tape off just so you can see. It's hard for you to see. Alright, so this is where we are. Alright, so this is where we are. I'm actually going to take this, push down on it, so it can stay right there. The adhesive is on there already. As long as the tip is at the very edge, so when you put the electrical tape, it's going to surely make contact with the that capacitor, whatever that is. Okay, and basically what the electrical tape does is just holds it in place. So I'm going to put that piece is a little too big. I'm going to grab this piece. I'm going to put that right up here. Try to hold it down with my finger. Push it down, make sure that it's making that contact. Alright. So this is what it should look like when you have it installed. Okay?
Whoa.
Over there, please.
Well, I'm doing something.
Okay. Alright. Okay, so that's there. I actually want to test it to see if it's powering up. Turn this light off here. So there it is. You see it lighting up. Isaiah, turn that light off for me.
Okay.
Thank you. Turn the other one off for me too.
Why?
Just for a second. Stay there. I'll tell you when to turn it back on. Thank you. So there it is. Yes, it's only for a second. So this is basically the light that's going to light up the home button. You can turn it back on now. Thank you. Oh, I guess he decided to turn it on, puppy. I'm doing something. Please turn it on. Thank you. Thank you. This one too. This one too.
Okay.
Thank you. So that's basically the installation now. There you go. You can see it. I'm gonna show you. How it looks. Coming out of here. So this is the home button. It's not locked in or anything. Be careful. Alright, so that's it. That's the home button. It comes in white or black. Eventually it'll come in colors. I think it may be available now. I'm not too sure. So this is just the home button. I'll show you with the bracket. It's the home button. Alright.
I'm skating. Whoa! I like skating, Papa.
Yes, puppy. I'm recording right now. Let me finish recording.
Skating.
Okay.
Whoa.
You're making too much noise. Didn't I just tell you I'm recording?